You do not have to live with it. I promise. Even if you are unemployed, I have free resources in the link in my bio. So I have resources that give you some of those strategies, that education that you need to help push it into the background. Please, if anyone is watching this video, if you have tinnitus that is bothersome, that is impacting your life, there are things you can do right now to reduce the impact. So it doesn't mean that you do these strategies once and all of a sudden it's a miracle thing and it goes away. I wish it was, but it just doesn't work that way. You have to do these strategies consistently over time. You will start to notice that your tinnitus is less noticeable, less bothersome, and it reduces the impact it's having on your life. For some patients, they notice it in the first couple weeks of doing the strategies. Others, it might take 3 months, but you do have to do it consistently. Do not give up. There is help. You do not have to just live with it. All right, friends, I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, an audiologist and a tinnitus specialist. I'm your expert in hearing healthcare. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep leaving those questions in the comments, and I will get back to you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.